Alright, what's up guys, welcome back with me Sneak Compare, and today we are going to spot the difference between two pairs of Nike Kobe 80 Purple Dust colorway, so let's check it out. On the first sample, as you guys can see, it's looking so dirty. There's a white glue stain here, and also there's a misplaced between the upper material, the line here, and the ankle protection and the midsole isn't straight on the fake one compared to the authentic one here. The line is straight between the upper material and the midsole here. Next one here is still same. This one isn't straight like the authentic one here. The line is a little bit messed up. And also there is on the midsole here, there's a lot of black dots on the authentic one. However, on the fake one, just purple color, dark purple on the fake one. Another one also, this one is very clear. It's messed up. The direction of the Nike shoes slightly go down, and also the line here on the upper material and the midsole isn't straight like the authentic one here. And notice here on the embroidery line, there's no gap between the embroidery line and the Nike shoes. On the fake one, there is a little bit gap. Moving to the inside part of the shoes, as you guys can see, there's a white glue stain right here on top of the midsole on the fake one compared to the authentic one. And also the line here on the authentic one, the shape, the cut between the midsole and the outsole here is straight like this. On the fake one is a little bit wavy. Another one also, this one, the line here on the upper material isn't straight with the midsole, whereas on the authentic one is straight like this. Looking from above here, as you guys can see, all the Kobe logo is a little bit bigger. The Kobe logo is bigger on the fake one compared to the authentic one here. On the authentic one is the length of the Kobe logo is not more than the embroidery line here. Another one also, this one, as you guys can see here, the length of the Kobe logo is on the same level of the embroidery line. On the authentic one here, slightly come up, it's a little bit shorter. Another one also is very clear. Moving to the back of the shoes, as you can see, the color of the Kobe signature is on the fake one is purple, on the authentic one is black, and also it's a little bit shorter, and also slightly come up, not like the authentic one here is placed right in the middle. Another sample also, this one isn't centered. The embroidery logo here is slightly to the left, isn't centered. And also there's a white glue stain between the midsole and the outsole. Alright guys, that's my explanation. I hope you get it. And if you have any question or request, feel free to DM me on my Instagram or leave in the comment section down below. Don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel so I can make another video for you guys. Thank you very much for watching, and I'm out.